Hello and welcome to the another video of SRP technology. So in this video we are going to talk about some tips and tricks about Android phones. So let's start. Then number 1, if you want to extract text from your images, then this trick will very helpful for you. So for this you just need to go to Google, then click on Google Lens icon, then select the image from where you want to extract the text. So just here I have selected, then click on text, then select all. This will select all the text from your image, then simply copy it and paste wherever you want, just like I was sending it here, just like this. Here it is. Number 2, so guys, if you are clicking your images just by old method, then this trick will help you to update. So for this you just need to open camera, then go to its setting, then scroll it down and you will find the shooting methods, then just enable tap to capture option, then go to camera and you just need to click on screen and then your picture will be clicked just like this. Here it is. Then number 3, so guys, I know you are visiting so much sites and or websites in your day-to-day life, but did you know that the sites you are visiting is safe or not, or secured or not? So this trick will help you to find that the sites you are visiting is secured or not. So for this you just need to go to Chrome, then go to the site you want to check that it is secured or not. So I am going to Canva, then it's the interface of Canva. Then you just need to click on these three dots, then click on this I button, then it will show that connection is secured and Canva is using my cookies and site data, and I have visited last today. Then number 4, basically this is the fun trick. So for this you just need to go to WhatsApp, then if you write simply any message, then you will see no change, but if you add just star, then just write your message, then you will see the difference that the message you have sent without the star, it is semi bold, but if you use star, then it becomes bold. So number 5, for this trick you need to update your WhatsApp. So if you have already updated your WhatsApp, then just go to your WhatsApp, then if you have written any message wrong, then just select it, then just click on three dots, then you will see a option edit. By this you can just edit your sent messages. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here you can see the edited message, and here edited is also written here. Then number 6, also you need just, if you want to send a video message, then just click on this mic icon just like this, and you can share a video message. Here it is. You can just, and message is sent. So this much for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, then please do like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and follow us on Facebook. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our SRP